Introducing EnGenius Cloud Managed Wi-Fi 6 Wall Plate Access Point, ECW215. Your solution for seamless in-room Wi-Fi and wired connectivity. Featuring a Qualcomm Wi-Fi 6 networking platform, ECW215 boasts superior connectivity, offers 4 times the capacity, increases speed by 25%, and minimizes latency compared with Wi-Fi 5. With its dual-band AX1800 capability, it effortlessly tackles high-density traffic, providing fast and reliable connectivity. The low-profile, sleek wall plate design ensures convenient and discreet installation of the access point, enhancing setup convenience and aesthetics. And depending on your installation needs, you can route the PoE cord from either of the 2 PoE ports on the back or bottom of the access point. The other port will then serve as an Ethernet port for additional wired connectivity to various network devices like a laptop, printer, or game console. Furthermore, it also has a PSE port that allows both connection and power supply to another PoE device, such as an IP phone. Plus, its smart casting feature lets you seamlessly connect Chromecast or Apple TV, even in guest Wi-Fi environments, guaranteeing secure and smooth entertainment. For extensive Wi-Fi deployments across various locations, the EnGenius Cloud platform makes it easy to set up, monitor, and manage your network. Whether it's hotels, residential settings, classrooms, or office meeting rooms, it ensures robust in-room connectivity. ECW215, reinventing the in-room network experience.